This is YFM-105YNCA, the auto nylon half-teeth welding machine by computer control for the number 5 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please make sure the air pressure is around 4.5 to 5 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and please switch on the machine's power. And please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. Here is the top stop side, here is the bottom stop side. Okay? And please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. For the first piece of a zipper, please make the gaping space is in the middle of the mold, and two sides the teeth are balanced, and then you can touch the screen, and there is a manual operation, and you can see the one cycle action. First of all, you need to press the one on position. Okay? Second, you need to press the zipper pressing. Third, you need to press the upper mold. And fourth, you need to press welding. Okay, and then please release all the buttons. Go back to main screen, and you can set up how many pieces you want to produce. For example, 50 pieces. And the button stop position is controlling the button stop position, more or less. Normally you need to make the zipper every time stop in the middle. The waiting delay time is for the welding. Normally we set up from 10 to 20. Okay? And you can make sure the zipper welding is good, and you can put the zipper into the transmission wheel. You can check the welding results. Once the welding result is good, and make sure the zipper goes through like this way. Okay? And then you can press the start, the machine will be auto running. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. There's a setting. You can see the cooling delay time we set up 15 milliseconds. The length of the reversal is before pressing and welding. We all need to return the zipper back around 3 millimeters. Normally we set up 3 millimeters. And there's the password. Please press the password 8008, enter. And you can see there's the speed setting. The high speed set up the 4500, the slow speed we set up 1800. Normally if it's not necessary, please do not change this speed setting. Okay? And there's a low level setting. And top mode delay pushing down setting we set up the 30 milliseconds. If this one normally is not necessary, please do not change this data. We go back to the main screen. If the machine has any problem, the solution will show you where's the problem. and what time happened. Okay, About Master is teaching you how to operate this machine and to finish the machinery testing.